Indian Army has finally got its hands on the world's most lethal attack helicopter. The service took delivery of the first 3 of 6 Boeing-built AH-64E Apache helicopters. It has been 5 years since the Indian Army signed the deal to buy 6 of these for nearly $1 billion. The next batch of 3 helicopters is supposed to be delivered by November 2025. Importantly, an order for 24 more could be placed. The desert-camouflaged helicopters, featuring airframes manufactured by the Tata-Boeing joint venture near Hyderabad, are intended for combat patrol missions along the Pakistan border. These Apaches mark the Indian Army's first induction of the type, though they are not new to India. The Indian Air Force already operates 2 Apache squadrons, tasked with securing the northern and eastern sectors facing China. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how American AH-64E Apaches would help India dominate Pakistan. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The Boeing AH-64 Apache is an American twin-turbo-shaft attack helicopter with a tailwheel-type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2. It is adaptable to numerous different roles within its context of close combat attack scenarios. AH-64E is the latest variant. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. The key component, though, is the AN/APG-78 longbow radar system mounted above its rotor. It is a millimeter-wave fire control radar specifically designed for the Apache. Longbow provides high performance with a very low probability of detection and intercept. Its primary combat targeting modes include ground target mode, GTM, air targeting mode, ATM, and maritime targeting mode, MTM, providing rapid detection to engagement timelines. Longbow performs wide area search and precise detection, location, and classification of up to 256 simultaneous moving and stationary targets. The system then prioritizes the top 16 targets for immediate evaluation and, if necessary, engagement by the aircrew. Longbow enables the Apache to identify targets day or night in adverse weather and obscured conditions. Just like the Indian Air Force, the new Apaches for Indian Army also come fitted with DIRCM, 2 units, 1 covering each side. These can blind and thus defeat multiple incoming IR-guided manpads and other types of missiles simultaneously. Apache is capable of receiving live sensor feeds from drones, delivering a level of situational awareness previously unavailable to its helicopter pilots. In this context, it is to be noted that India already operates 2 leased MQ-9B drones and has also placed a purchase order of 31. This networked combat capability enables the Apache to detect threats, coordinate strikes, and share targeting data in real time, providing commanders with a seamless, multi-domain picture of the battlefield. Apache has a range of 300 miles or 482 kilometers and a top speed of 182 miles per hour, 293 kilometers per hour. It has a maximum vertical rate of climb of 1,775 feet per minute, 541 meters per minute, and a service ceiling of 21,000 feet, 6,400 meters. Apache comes with a 30mm M230 chain gun with 1,200 rounds of ammunition. Either the pilot or the gunner can use this gun by just pointing it at the target and firing it. This is possible due to integrated helmet and display sighting system and makes attacking with the gun a very intuitive and seamless experience. 4 hard points are present that can be equipped with the following. 1. The Hydra 70 rocket, which is a 2.75-inch fin-stabilized unguided rocket. It is mainly used for air-to-ground attacks. It has a range of 8 kilometers or 5 miles. 2. Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKWS 70mm, which is an upgrade of Hydra 70, It has a laser guidance kit to turn it into precision-guided munition. 3. AGM-114, Hellfire air-to-surface missile. Its variant can be deployed for anti-armor use, as well as precision strikes against other target types. The maximum range of this missile is 11 kilometers or 7 miles. 4. AIM-92, Stinger air-to-air missile. It has a range of 8 kilometers or 5 miles. 5. Israeli Spike-NLOS anti-tank and anti-personnel missile, which has a range of up to 32 kilometers or 20 miles. Indian Army already uses Spike LR and SR variants, and Spike-NLOS would enhance the Apache's standoff strike capability, especially in contested environments where direct line-of-sight engagement is risky or impossible. The Apache's induction comes just weeks after Operation Sindoor, amid continued tensions along India's western frontier. Apache arrival will significantly strengthen the Indian Army's combat helicopter fleet, which currently consists of the indigenous Rudra and Prachand attack helicopters. Apache can be configured as per mission requirement. A standard configuration for anti-armor mission will have 16 Hellfire missiles on 4 4-rail launchers. Each is capable of taking out a tank. The covering force mission configuration will have 8 Hellfire missiles along with 38 Hydra or APKWS rockets, whereas the escort mission will have 76 Hydra or APKWS. Air-to-air missiles will be loaded for specific scenarios. As for the Indian Army, these helicopters are to be assigned for anti-armor and air assault roles. Its deployment near the Pakistan border marks a tactical shift, enhancing India's ability to rapidly engage enemy armor, radar installations, terrorist camps, and logistical convoys with precision and speed. Designed for high survivability, the Apache features armored crew compartments, crash-resistant systems, and reinforced rotor blades, allowing it to withstand damage and still accomplish its mission. It is possible that Apaches will be used to spearhead attack formations that will consist of light combat helicopter Prachand. The Cabinet Committee on Security recently gave its nod for the biggest ever deal to buy 156 Prachands. Technically, Apaches will work not just as standalone platform, but also as a force multiplier.